Sairam children. This video is regarding the project work that the children will be doing during the vacation, which they will be getting in the first week of June. The project should be done very neatly. So today I am going to give you EVS project. I will be explaining you how it has to be done. Shall we start? First we are going to see what are the materials required to make this project. We will need 2 A4 size papers, any color you can take, or if you don't have A4 size paper or color paper, you can use the Fullscape papers. So you will need 2 Fullscape paper. Then crayons, crayon colors, then sketch pens, pencil, eraser and a scale. So these are the materials required for making your project. So our topic for the EVS project is all about me. So what is the topic? All about me. All about me means what? Means you have to write about yourself. So I will tell you what you have to write about yourself. Okay, so our topic is all about me. Now first I am going to explain you how you are going to make the cover page. Cover page means the first page. Okay, so in that cover page you are going to write your name and your surname. Then you will write roll number, your roll number. Your roll number means you are going to write your previous standard roll number. Okay, you will be writing your senior KG's roll number here. Okay, then below that you will write standard division. Standard you will write at present in which standard you are. Standard first. So you will write first, and which division you are now, that division you are going to write. So standard first and division. If you are in A, you will write A. If you are in B, you will write B. If you are in C, you will write in C. And if you are in D division, you will write D division. Okay. Now after standard division, you are going to write the subject. So which subject you are going to make the project? EVS. So you will write EVS. Below that you will write school, your school's name. So what is your school's name? Sri Ma Bal Niketan High School. So you will write school's name, Sri Ma Bal Niketan High School. Then after that you will write a topic. What is a topic? As I told you before, what is the EVS project topic? All about me. So you will write all about me on the topic part. Now we will see how your cover page will look like. Okay. So this will be your cover page. I explained you what you write on the cover page. This way your cover page will be. So you can take any color A4 size paper. If you don't have A4 size paper or any colored paper, then you can use your Fullscape paper. Okay, what is available at home that you can use for making the project. So you have to decorate this cover page very nicely. Okay, so what I had told to write on the cover page, that is very important. You will write your name and your surname. Then you will write your senior KG's roll number, because you didn't get this year's first standard's roll number, right? So you will write the senior KG's roll number. Then you will write standard division. At present in which standard you are, that you will write. It is first and your division. Then what is the subject? Subject is EVS. So this project is EVS project. So you will write EVS. Then you will write the school's name. So what is the school's name? Sri Ma Bal Niketan High School. And after that you will write a topic. So what is the topic? What is the project topic? All about me. Okay. And you have to decorate it, that front page, very, very nicely. You can use any decorative materials. If you have at home, you can use any decorative materials for decoration. So your cover page should look very nice, very attractive. Okay. Then we'll go to the next one. Second page. Now what you are going to write on the second page? The second page you are going to write all about yourself. Okay. So what you're going to write at the top? You're going to write topic. Topic you'll write all about me. Okay, so topic you're going to write all about me. Then below that you'll write your name. Here you're going to write my name. My name is you're going to write your name. Only name is enough. Don't write the surname. Then my date of birth. You're going to write your date of birth. Then you're going to write my age. Now at present, what is your age? How old are you? That you're going to write over here. After my age, below that you're going to write my school's name. So what is your school's name? Sri Ma Balniketan High School. After that you are going to write my address. My address means you are going to write your home address. Okay. Then you are going to write below that you are going to write my mother's name. So you are going to write your mother's name. Here you are going to write only mother's name. Don't write the surname. After mother's name, you are going to write your father's name. Here also father's name, you are going to write only father's name. Don't write the surname. After that, you are going to write my favorite toys. Now children, you are playing with the toys, right? So you have many toys at home. So from that, one or two maybe your favorite toys, right? So from that, which is your favorite toy, that name you have to write. Suppose your favorite toy is Barbie doll, so you will write Barbie doll. If your favorite toy is teddy bear, you can write teddy bear. Or your favorite toy is car, you can write car. Or if your favorite toy is robot, you can write robot. So any you can, if you want to write one, you can write one favorite toy, 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. And if you get any picture of it, you can paste the picture also beside it. Okay. It is not compulsory. If you have, you can stick. Now next, after that, my pet. Now what is my pet? Pet means the pet animals. Now some have the habit of keeping they love to keep the pet at home. Like dog, then cat or parrot, okay, or rabbit. So they keep these animals at home because they love them, they make them as their friend and they keep them as their pet. Now if you have any pet, you will write. If you don't have, not necessary you have to write. It's okay, leave it as it is. If you have, then write. Otherwise, no need of writing. If you have any pet animal, you write the pet animal's name. If you don't have, keep as it is, no need of writing. Okay. Now we'll see how your second page will be. See, your second page will be in this way. So I told you before, topic you'll write all about me, the project topic. Then you'll write your name, then your date of birth, then your age, your school's name, your address, it is your home address. Then your mother's name, only mother's name, no surname. Father's name, only father's name, no surname. Then favorite toys, then my pet. If you have pet, you write. If you don't have any pet, you can keep as it is, no problem. Okay. See, your project will be in this way. Now what you are going to do, you are going to take both the pages and you are going to both the pages you are going to staple. Okay, first you are going to take the cover page and below that the second page. You can join both the pages by stapling or by making holes with the help of punching machine, and tie both the pages together with a satin ribbon if you have. Okay, with what you are comfortable, you can do it. Okay. Now see, your EVS project will look like this. The cover page and the second part. So you are going to decorate it very nicely. Okay. Yes, children. The project has to be written and decorated by the students and submitted when the school reopens. Children, you can take your parents' help, but the written part and the decoration should be done by you. You can ask them their ideas. You can ask your parents the ideas how to do. But writing and the decoration part should be done by you. Okay, and your project should be very nice. It should look very nice. So you can use your creativity for doing this project. You can decorate it as you wish. Okay, so when the school reopens, you're going to submit this project. Thank you, children. Have a good day.